Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm revamping my channel. I know I haven't posted anything in like forever, and it's just because of life, and I've been busy and I got my realtor license. So I mean, life has been good, but life has been busy. So but I'm back though. Okay, we back. So as you can see, my hair looks a mess, but it's okay because I'm about to be popping in a few minutes because I just got some hair paint in the mail. I'm so excited to use this, y'all, because I've always wanted blue hair. Like, I've always wanted to dye my hair blue. I've always wanted to dye my hair pink. I always want to try all these crazy colors, and I've never been able to try any of these colors just because I'm afraid to like bleach my hair. Everybody knows if you want like blue hair or pink hair, you gotta dye your hair, so, and you gotta bleach it. And I wasn't trying to do none of that because I wasn't trying to lose my hair. I've worked too hard to get my hair to where it is now. I know it looks crazy right now, but my hair is healthy, okay? So I worked too hard to get it to how it is. So I've refused to like dye my hair or bleach my hair or do anything like that other than what has already been colored. So yeah, I'm not doing that. But anyway, I ran across this hair paint wax that's supposed to be really good for your hair. It's not supposed to damage it. It's literally just a hair paint. So when I saw people on Instagram using it, I said, ooh, there it is. There she go. Like, I'm about to buy it. So I bought it. I'm kind of scared though because y'all see how my hair, right? Like, I got a lot of hair. So this, I don't know if this is gonna be enough. And that's so bad to say, but like, I just know me, and I'm real heavy-handed with products, so I don't know if this is gonna be enough for my whole head of hair. We're gonna pray that it is, cause I'm about to try it. So right now I'm gonna go wash my hair and put some, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna deep condition it, and I'm gonna put some leave-in, and then I'm gonna be back and we're gonna start this whole process of making my hair blue. So I'll be back. Alright you guys, so I just finished my wash and go routine. I'm going to link a link at the top of the screen to kind of show you my wash and go process. And now I'm going to start applying the paint onto my hair, and the paint applies so well, you guys. It feels like I'm putting a conditioner or some type of like cream onto my hair. It came on really well. It didn't make my hair hard. It kept my hair really soft, and I was kind of worried when I was adding the paint onto my hair because I was scared it was gonna mess up my pattern, you know, with my wash and go, because I always try not to touch my hair whenever I do a wash and go. But my curls remained intact, and I was super excited, as you can see by the big smile on my face, by how blue this paint is actually turning my hair. I was being very kind of cautious with the amount of product I was putting on my hair because I felt like the bottle was so small. So I wasn't putting a lot of the blue paint on my hair. As you can see, I could have definitely added some more onto some parts of my hair. I feel like I definitely missed some spots, especially on that side that I'm working on right now. But I mean, for this particular video, you kind of pretty much get the gist of how to apply the paint on your hair. You're just applying it as much as possible to every single strand, and like I said, don't do like I did. Make sure you check in the mirror to make sure you get every single bit of your hair, because I definitely missed some spots. But it definitely did the trick. It's heavily turned my hair blue. It washed out very well. However, you can notice that it is getting on my arms a lot. However, once the paint is completely dry, it doesn't really get onto your clothes or anything like that, and it's very washable. So when you are applying it and it is getting over everything, just take a damp towel and wash it right off. And we're almost done. Once I'm done applying the hair paint wax to my hair, I'm going to grab my diffuser and just help my hair dry a little bit. As I'm diffusing my hair and actually watching this video along with y'all, I'm noticing like I missed a whole bunch of pieces. You can kind of see the brown kind of poking out a little bit, but it's definitely kind of blue, but I just missed some pieces. So just pay attention, you know, when you're applying the paint to your hair to make sure you get every single strand. But I'm just diffusing it just to kind of speed up the drying process a little bit. And after I diffuse it to get about a third of the way dry, we're pretty much done. And I totally love the process. Like, I love this hair paint. it felt so good on my hair. Like, I'm just so impressed with how blue it made my hair, and with no bleaching, and it was super quick. Like, you can't beat this hair paint wax, and it's super washable. Like, I'm just astounded how blue it made my hair.